Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change Volvo XC90 wiper blades. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into the service position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and damaging the glass. Next, carefully examine the existing wiper blade to understand its attachment mechanism. Having the right tools and new blades ready makes the process smooth and quick. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade downwards or outwards, depending on the design, to detach it from the hook. Be sure to hold onto the wiper arm securely so it doesn't accidentally fall back onto the windshield. This step is crucial for safety. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards or inwards until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. This ensures proper function. Once the new blade is installed, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers using the washer fluid. This confirms they are working correctly and providing clear visibility. Enjoy your clear view and safer driving experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.